Hi there, this is Teresa Gonzi with the Early Math Initiative. Let me tell you a little bit more about what exactly the early math problem is and how we are working to solve it. So what exactly is the early math problem? It is not 2 plus 2 equals 4. The early math problem comes from school readiness skills. So young children in the U.S. start kindergarten with a wide range of abilities and skills. And of course, some of this comes from the nature aspect, but a lot of it comes from the nurture, as they have different early experiences at home, daycare, and preschool. In particular, the school readiness gap is very wide in early math. And what exactly happens when kids start off with low early math skills? Well, early math skills are predictive, of course, of later math abilities. That seems obvious. But it's also predictive of later real-world math numeracy skills, as well as later reading skills. Early math skills are even more predictive of later reading skills than early reading skills are, as one study shows. Early math skills are also predictive of high school graduation, college completion, and even financial success at age 42. So if early math skills are this predictive and this important, then what exactly is being done to support them? Unfortunately, not very much. Most early education initiatives are focused on early literacy and reading books, which of course is important as well, but the Early Math Initiative sees a need for building these early math skills even before elementary school. And so how exactly are we going to do this? Well, the Early Math Initiative's mission is to promote mathematical problem solving among young children, with a special emphasis on low-income kids who are particularly in need, ages 2 to 5 in the U.S. And we do this by providing high-quality one-on-one interactions with volunteers in preschools and daycares, as well as through family support. And as I said, this is to develop the critical early math skills, but not just to the math skills that are important, but also the confidence and the joy that comes along with building these skills. And a little bit more about exactly how we do this. So we have our volunteer tutors who go into the preschools and daycares and provide these one-on-one high-quality interactions. And we use research-based activities and games. No flashcards, no worksheets, nothing like that. It's all about playing and mathematizing the world and using Math Talk. And so we have online videos of this Math Talk that we provide both for our tutors and for the children's parents and teachers, as well as for the general public. And so we also have family support in which the tutors provide game nights and take-home activities, as well as in-home modeling of ways to mathematize the world so that both the parents and the kids can see how much fun early math can be. So, what exactly are we doing to get these out into the world? We are testing curriculum in one preschool classroom this summer, and then we'll be rolling out to more classrooms and starting our family game nights in the fall. We will be expanding to a new region next spring, and then in summer we'll be expanding to a whole new metro area, and hopefully in the next 2 years have multiple classrooms in multiple regions in several different metro areas. And we can do this because of our strong support with our volunteer tutors and coordinators, which come from local colleges and companies. We also use crowdfunding and social giving to support our activities, and we are looking for grants in order to investigate and research exactly what our impact is. To provide money for our curriculum, we use a one-for-one model where we sell the games and take-home materials and online Math Talk videos to families who perhaps aren't as needy and who can pay for these materials. And then as they pay for them, they provide a one-for-one to our needy families to also get the curriculum materials. And how will we be measuring our impact? As I've said, these early math skills are highly important, so we definitely want to test the skills both at the beginning and the end of the program, as well as when our kids are entering kindergarten. But it's not just the skills that are important, it's also these early math attitudes. For the children, the parents, the tutors, and the teachers. We want all of these people to see math as fun, interesting, useful, and we want them to see themselves as capable. So we'll be surveying their attitudes during the program, as well as following up with both skills and attitudes around 3rd grade and 8th grade, and hopefully later on through high school and college to continue to see the impact of our initiative. Thank you so much, and we hope to be able to tackle the early math problem with your help.